Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video to announce the winner of the M8S that I announced about a week and a half ago. So thank you to everybody that got involved in this in the right spirit and left a comment, liked and subscribed. I know lots of you are already subscribers, so don't worry if you're already a subscriber. That kind of makes you eligible anyway. So I'm going to just cut and paste the URL into the YouTube random comment picker, load all of the comments. There we go. Get rid of all the duplicates so there's no shenanigans. Click on start, and the winner of the M8S is Craig Huber. Craig, thank you very much. Wow, you've written quite a lot there. Oh, that's very nice. Very nice of you. That's very much in the spirit of the channel, so thank you for doing that. So quick look at Craig's channel. Looks like, oh, that was 9 months ago. Okay, lots and lots of snow. Looks like you're in America. Pop me your address details to lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. For those of you that didn't win, don't worry. Stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed. There'll be another draw coming to the channel on Tuesday next week. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.